Yes, yes. Okay, I will be there. Baby.
Baby?
I will be right back. Please, be fast. We are going out.
Okay. Come fast, though. Yes, who is there?
Yeah, it's me, the plumber.
Okay, oh, you're coming.
Madam, good afternoon.
Good afternoon. What take you too long? I've been waiting for you since.
Madam, sorry, na traffic. Go slow, hold us on the road. Please don't vex, yeah? Please, where the thing spoil?
Okay. This place, the water is not rushing too well. This place. And here also, the water is not rushing.
Okay, even this one. Okay, no, well, let me bring my bag.
Hey! What's going on here?
What is it? Please, allow me to do my job now. I come to do. Please, please, I don't want to. Please, I don't want problem. Allow me to do my job.
Wait, after you
Jesus.
Please, I don't want. Madam, please, I don't want problem. No, this thing I can't do here.
Jesus.
Allow me to do my job. Your pipe is spoiled. Allow me to arrange the thing now.
Wait.
Which kind of like this one? Please, I don't want problem. Please, allow me to do my job. Madam.
Jesus.
Madam. Madam.
Hey!
Madam, stop it now.
You don't know where you are.
Madam, stop. Madam, allow me to do my job now. Madam.
Who is there?
It is me. Hey!
Babe!
Hey!
You can't solve me.
Yes. You never bless up. Do fast. We are going out now. Just be fast.
Hey! Jesus Christ of Nazareth. Baby, be fast. We are traveling. We may spend 6 to 8 months before coming back.
I'm coming.
This evening you will die.
I saw you now. Don't enter unquenchable fire. Baby, be fast.
Jesus!
Mo gbé wọn handicap. This evening you will die.
You will be like living when they put for fire.
God have mercy upon us.
Oga Soja!
Hey! I'm young mami otolu na nro.